Welcome back to Felix Art World. Here we have the before and after photos and videos of this monarch butterfly that I've had for quite a few years now. I got really bored of the background. The colors turned out to be boring after a while, so I decided to transform the background of this painting by utilizing the swipe technique. I am applying a lot of white. All my paints already prepared and pre-blended with floetrol as my medium. And so I'm using plenty of white on the top to pull it and drag it down to the bottom of this painting. And I have a medium green, a dark green, a metallic green, and metallic purple as well. So it's wipe time. I'm using a plastic sheet to very gently and carefully pull the paint down. I'm not putting any pressure on it. It's just like surfing on the surface. So here's what it turned out like. Now I'm gonna add, still wet, and I'm gonna add these flowers. Really simple stems with the really dark green and the flowers, which they're a clean pour as well. So the whole butterfly is being, the background is being done with the clean pour technique and the swipe technique. I allowed the bottom section of this painting to dry overnight, and the next day I worked on the sky section. So same thing, I'm using the same plastic sheet. I cleaned it. I didn't let the paint dry on it. It's much easier to clean it while still wet. So I am utilizing a lot of white, sky blue, and metallic blue. Those were my blends. Diluted paint with floetrol as well. And so I'm just, as I go, I'm adding more paint. Like here, and it's more blue for more contrast. I'm adding with the knife palette, I'm adding movement, swirls on the sky to simulate air. And the wings of the butterfly are getting some paint on it, so I'm cleaning as I go. So I'm not going to allow the paint to dry on the wings, because that's gonna give me just more work later on after it dries up. So here I am cleaning. This is the dry finish. Finito. It just looks gorgeous. I love it. I'm a lot happier with it. If you like it, give it a like, follow, subscribe. I am also on Facebook under Felix Art World and on Instagram under Felix Art World. You will find links to my social media down in the description box. Thank you. Bye-bye.